Here to talk about Tuesday, guys. We have two parts to our warm-up. First part is just going to be a little bit of stretching. So we're going to do the floor sides. It's just like a wall slide, guys, but we're just doing it on the floor. So arms up at 90 in that field goal pose. You're just going to reach up, trying to keep your palms on the ground, nice and slow, and then pull back down. Trying to refrain from that big arch on the floor. After that minute, then you're just going to do a minute of shoulder stretching across your body. All right, that'll help. Then we go a minute of tricep stretching. You can pull arm across. You can go up against the wall, push into it, whichever feels best for you guys, but 3 minutes of stretching. Then we have 8 minutes, 1 minute at each station. Station 1 is going to be quick feet, so just running in place. Every 10 seconds, do a burpee, and you repeat for a total of a minute. All right. Then we have bear crawls. Just keep those legs nice and straight, walk yourself forward a couple steps, walk yourself backwards. Then we have arm circles. Start small throughout that minute, work big. Maybe after 30 seconds, switch, start small, and then work big, 1 minute there. We got Cuban press. We're gonna do this without weight. So elbows high, rotate over, press up, pull elbows down, rotate back down, continue, right? 1 minute, just get some movement out of those shoulders. And then we're doing quick feet again. Same burpee every 10 seconds, followed by tabletop for the next one. So think top of your crab walk, guys. All you're doing is opening up that chest, right? Yes, you're thinking about getting your hips high, but that's only to help open up that chest, okay? Then we have standing single arm swimmers. So just one arm at a time every 30 seconds. Pull that elbow back, reach up, rotate around, flip that palm all the way down to your butt cheek, then return, same direction, flipping back all the way to your head. 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds on the other. And then we're gonna go push up to pike push up. So rotate every rep between these two. So push up, move your hands or your feet, pike push up. Back into that push up, move your hands or your feet, and then back into that pike push up. Cycle through that for the last one, okay? Take two. All right, switch 18. We are doing this 4 times. It is 21 and 15, 9. So what that means is we're going 21, 21, 21, 15, 15, 15, 9, 9, 9. 3 movements today, all fatiguing movements, so your heart rate is not going to be the factor that stops you. It's going to be more fatigue, okay? So let's talk through movements. We have strict handstand push-ups. She's not going to demo really good at them, but we're going to save it. If you have a wall, you can totally kick up. Please do not do kipping though. I know we can't see you, but please try to refrain from getting any movement out of your legs. Keep it upper body solely. So we can scale those to seated dumbbell presses. Same 21. Remember guys, the people that are doing strict handstand push-ups are going to be doing singles, doubles, triples. So make those seated dumbbell press challenging. If those aren't as challenging because maybe you don't have enough heavy weight, then go ahead and switch to pike push-ups. These are very challenging. So butt to the sky, so you're hitting more of your shoulder as you're lowering, but head to the floor, press all the way up. All right, that's 21 there, and then 15 and then 9 as we work through. Next movement is going to be a strict box dip. So if you have rings, guys, by all means, do ring dips, but if you don't have ring dips, we're gonna switch to a box dip, right? So from here, straight leg version is gonna be the hardest. Dip straight down, parallel, and then back up. Try not to let your shoulders round, try not to go too deep. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall on those, okay? Scale version will be bent knee, but the same thing, please make sure you're not rounding those shoulder blades forward. Once we're done with box dips, so we got strict push-ups. Not sure what a skipping push-up is. Don't do it though. Strict push-up, so all the way down, all the way up. You do not need to release your hands. No tempo. Please make sure it's all the way down and a full lockout at the top. Again, we go 21, 21, 21. 15, 15, 15, 9, 9, 9. Time is your score. Part B for Tuesday is 3 sets of 3 different movements. So this is more, guys, recovery than it is a strength session, right? So a little bit of kind of accessory movements to make ourselves feel better after part A, right? So keep that in mind. They're not going to be very challenging, right? We're just trying to get our back now firing since we did a bunch of chest and shoulders. Okay, so we have 3 sets, super sets. So let's start through 10 reps of reverse snow angels. We've been doing these a lot, guys, so pretty straightforward. Arms stay long, arms stay straight, all the way up, all the way back down is 1. Give me 10. Quick. 20 seconds rest, followed by movement number 2, which is gonna be shoulder pendulum. So treat this, guys, as just helping that shoulder kind of like loosen up from that joint. You're gonna go 5 one direction, 5 the other. This should just be like letting it relax. You shouldn't be like reaching and trying to like squeeze through this. You should just be letting that shoulder kind of distract out of that joint. Once you've done 5 each direction, then you'll switch arms. You go 5 each direction to the other arm. And then 20 seconds rest, followed by 10-second hold of a prone raise. So you're gonna pull with the side of your hands up and you're just gonna hold there. Okay, 10-second hold, keeping toes on the ground. You should feel this a lot mid-back. Then go ahead and relax. That's 1 set, guys. You'll work through that for a total of 3 sets.